Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have made this side table. It's more of a glam style using all Dollar Tree items, and this lights up, by the way, and you can go even higher and make it like a cocktail table. But if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start, I want to invite everyone to my saving channel. That's right, I have a second channel where I share with you codes or price drops on items, on everyday items, not just crafting items. Like this wallet over here, it's listed for $29.99. By putting in a code, you'll get it for $9.90. And these are items that have awesome reviews, like this magnet tile from $23.98 down to $9.58. Today we have this sublimation paper and 110 sheets. It's $15.99, but with our code $7.20. So literally I put everything, not just crafting, it's items that you use on everyday basis. So be sure to check that out. I'll put the link down in the description box for you. Trust me, you'll save tons of money. And who doesn't like that, right? So if you love Amazon and you love saving money, be sure to check out my other YouTube channel. Now let's get started with the video. Here we have 3 packs of these mini bowls. They do come 4 in a pack, and we're going to pick up 3 of those. Now I'm just going to open it up, and now I'm going to go in with these mini diamonds. I found these by like the glass gems and the pebbles and stones area at Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to go in with E6000, since E6000 does dry clear. So I'm going to apply a little bit onto the diamond and place it inside the bowl, decorating the inside of the bowl basically. And I'm going to do this to all of the bowls I have. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. Now I'm going to glue my bowls together once it's dry. So I'm going to go in once again with the E6000, and around the rim of the bowl, I'm going to apply the glue, and I'm going to take the second bowl and put it in place. Be sure that your bowls are perfectly aligned so that way your table ends up being straight. And once those are done, I'm going to go in with this bigger bowl. This is going to be my base for the side table. And then I'm going to apply E6000 where it touches the other bowl and pile it up, basically. Make sure they're perfectly aligned and nice and straight. I'm going to list all the items I used in this video down in the description box for you as well, so it's more convenient and easier when you go shopping. Now I'm applying the second bowl on there, and I'm going to set that aside to completely dry because I don't want to put all of them over each other at once because they might start tilting, because like I said, E6000 does take a while to completely dry. But while that set is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing the other bowls together, and then in the end just go ahead and place all of them over each other. For this project, you're also going to need 2 pizza pans. I mean, you can use a charger or any other round items, or you can even do it square if you'd like. But I'm going to go in with these glass gems, and I'm going to glue them all around the rim of the first pizza pan. And now it's time to add the lights. So I'm going to go in with this fairy lights. I know it has the vine on there, but you could also use Christmas lights. My only regret is that since it's a glam table, I probably should have went in with white light instead of it being like a yellow light. But anyway, I didn't put the last gem there so I can take my fairy light through. Now I'm placing the last glass gem, and I'm going to glue my fairy lights on the inner side of the tray or the pizza pan. And now it's time to take our E6000 one last time and place some glue onto the glass gems because we're going to put our second pizza pan on there. So we're going to put it on there and then let it dry and maybe add some weights to it. The really cool thing about this side table is that you can theme it up. You can have a beach theme if you'd like, and I think I might do that. So if you guys want to see a beach themed side table with the same idea, then let me know down in the comments. I'd love to share that with you. But yeah, so now I'm just adding our E6000, taking our second pizza pan here and placing it on top and adding some weights. After leaving it for a few hours, I'm going to flip it over and glue the battery pack onto the bottom of the pan. Then I glued the pizza pan to the tower that we had earlier, and that's it. I did add a few gems up on top I don't know what I'm going to put on this table just yet. That's why my daughter just added some diamonds on the top and glass gems, but I wish I went in with white light, but I still love it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.